صباح الخير شباب. اليوم احنا جاي لكم فيديو جديد. Good morning guys, we're coming to you today with a new video. Today we're actually hitching a hike. We're going to the Yunque, I don't know how to say it. It's in Puerto Rico. It's a Yunque National Forest Park. We're gonna go on a hike for 6 hours. It's gonna be pretty fun. So I'm gonna catch an Uber and I gotta go meet up the group so we can head out on this hike. شباب أنا هلا لازم أخذ الأوبر تاعتي عشان أروح أشوف الجماعة منتظرين عشان نروح للغابة. الغابة زي تشبه زي الأمازون بالضبط. يلا شباب أشوفكم، خلينا نروح. Guys, actually our experience today is Safwan. He's actually Arab as well. He's mixed though, he's Egyptian. If you could tell us a little bit about yourself.
I was born and raised in Puerto Rico, but my mom is Egyptian and my dad Lebanese. They came here a long time ago and set up shop and never left. So now I've been doing tours for about 3 years here in Puyar, and hopefully gonna establish a company in the future too.
Nice, you should just come here and check him out.
Safu Tours.
Yeah. احكي معهم كمان بالعربي ما بفهم.
تعالوا لسافو تورز لما تروحوا للبلد هذا بورتوريكو، تعالوا لانستغرام وشوفوا سافو تورز all one word together. كيف بتقول هذا في عربي؟
سافو للسياحة.
ايوه
للسياحة.
للسياحة.
تعالوا شوفوا شباب، لا تضيعوا الفرصة.
شكرا. Like, oh, she's being a real pain already.
شباب احنا وصلنا هون على الناشونال فورست، والله شو يسموها، الحديقة العامة هاي. فاحنا هسه حنطلع ناخذ هايكينج. في كمان ناتشورال سبرينج يعني مي طبيعي هناك كمان، وبركات مي، فراح تكون كلش حلوة الاكسبيرينس. So guys, we're heading up through this hike with the group. We're gonna have a lot of.
Everybody left everything in the car they need to leave.
And then yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We're going to the swamps and stuff in the hike, and the Yunque. I think the national forest. I don't know. I can't spell it right, but that's basically it. So yeah, this is pretty cool. We also got we got these guys over here probably coming with us. جايين معنا هذول الكلاب. شوف في دجاج هون كمان. كل مكان وين ما تروح في دجاج.
I know, in Spanish-speaking countries. If you hear something moving in the bush, I promise it's not a dinosaur, it's a dog. But it will happen, so be careful, don't scare yourself. Alright, watch your head with this fallen bamboo.
So yeah, now we're hiking up this slippery, watery, gooey stuff right here. It's pretty awesome.
Bamboo was brought into Puerto Rico for construction purposes and experimental crops, but we also use it now to fight off erosion on the mountains.
That's actually pretty cool. There's a little like river creek up on that area over there.
The slower you go, the more control you have. There you go. There you go. Good job. Oh, that's perfect. Alright, we're gonna go this little lane here, not on the right.
Wow, because it rained earlier, so the roads that lead up to the hike, it's pretty muddy, so I gotta be careful. كما تشوفون قبل شوي مطرت، فالمي صاير كل شي مسوي طينة، فصعب الواحد يصعد على الهايك.
That's gonna be popping out like a palm tree.
God.
This is one of the major canopy covers for the rainforest. Unfortunately, after we had Maria 3 years ago, we lost a lot of these and the canopy cover is gone. As well as other trees, but mostly these you can see up, it's almost like an umbrella, so it dissipates the light going to the bottom of the forest. Some plants are suffering now because they're getting too much sunlight, so they're struggling to even survive.
كما شفتوا يا شباب، هاي اصلا زنجبيل، هاي من عائلة زنجبيل، بس هي نوع زنجبيل ثاني، مش زي اللي عندنا اللي يكون بني. هذا يكون فيه زي الفصل الثانية يسموه كريب. So as you guys see, that's a type of ginger over there. It's from a different kind of family, the same family of ginger, but it's a different kind. They're not like our regular gingers. They have like little pods that grow here in this national forest.
Side for the most part. Once it gets a little too choppy, just hear my instructions. I'm going to tell you how to do it easy, okay? But mostly stay on the right side.
صعبة. لازم هسه ناخذ حذرنا. We have to be really careful here.
a lot different. Stay on the right, just like we said before.
I guess he's enjoying the hike more than I do. بس كلب يستمتع الهايك أحسن مني. So these were actually pine trees. ما بعرف شو بيسموها بالعربي، فإذا أنتم بتعرفوا يا شباب اكتبوا شو pine tree بالعربي. لأنه أنا أصلا ما بعرف.
I'm disappointed. Come on, Colombia. Come here. So we can show them too. Alright, hot closer. Shoot. We call it Mori Vivi. Mori is I died, Vivi is I lived. You see what it's doing?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh wow!
Oh my god.
So go ahead and touch one of the leaves. They're
It
not.
acts like it's dead.
Yeah. So it's closing back up as a defense mechanism.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Look at there's here. Let me show you. Look right here. There's a good shot here. See that? Try it. Or you want me to do it for you? You let me know. Whatever is easier for the camera.
I think I can see it.
Here, bring the camera. Here, hold the camera.
It's so weird.
Hold on.
It acts like if it's dead.
Okay, there.
شفتوا بتعمل حالها بتسكر على حالها تبين انه كانها ماتت. غريبة هاي.
So the flower for that plant is this one, and it's called mimosa.
هاي بيسموها النبتة
Yes, because it's
ميموسا.
like that's exactly why they named it that way. The puffy ball is.
Oh my god. The name of that plant is mimosa actually. اسم النبتة ميموسا. غريبة.
These are chaperones.
Man, this is really dangerous. Look like we're monkeys here. هلا مثل القردة يا زلمة طلع شو هذا. لازم تكبش عليها قوية وتمسكها عشان ما بتوقع.
هنا وهنا هلا.
Oh, okay.
جنبيك.
What about this one?
شوية. There you go.
Alright, there we go.
Alright.
It's pretty interesting. I felt like they're from a monkey for a second.
Almost.
There's no monkeys here? Oh shit!
In the south of Puerto Rico.
Oh really? That'd be fun.
This is gonna sound like a bad horror movie, but we had monkeys chased up on a small island outside of Puerto Rico, and then they got loose and swam ashore.
Oh!
Experimental monkeys.
What happened?
That's like a 70s movie.
What happened?
Nah, they're all over the south, and we try to capture them. That's it. But they're aggressive. They're like macaques, so they.
Are they orangutans or are they just like gorillas?
But these are the type that if you have sunglasses like those, the reflection, they might think it's another monkey and come at you.
Oh wow.
Like,
Oh really?
في عندهم قردة هون بس هم مش قريبين على شو اسمه بس بالجنوب اصلا.
You see the pocket? I'm gonna put my feet on pockets, not on like this part or this part because they slide. Alright? Once I put my foot here, I'm gonna hold on to a tree and look for another spot right here or the one right here. And then I move towards the next tree. Okay.
كمان شوف يا شباب. اها.
I mean not sleep.
يعني بتقدر تاخذ هذا الروب وتنزل في الماء.
عشان بدك علشان انت كمان بدك بتروح.
ترى ما اعرف اسبح بس اقدر.
ما بتعرف؟
انا كنت صغير بعرف اسبح
كنت
بس
بدي اسال هذا I forgot to اسال عندي لايف بس في العربيه كنت بدي اعرف هذا.
يلا مش مهم انا اصلا طويل فهاي كم يعني انا 6'2".
15
6'2", so yeah it's fine.
Honestly, the only thing that happens is when people jump, since it's cold, they get a little shocked. Once you get out of the water, افتح عيونك بس ونفس you're good.
Oh, okay.
porque الناس بيعملوا هيك.
So I'm gonna try to jump in the water. I'll see if I can actually do that. Definitely not going.
روح هنا شوية. Nice. You okay? You okay? The Taínos used to use these sedimentary rocks. They're just rocks made out of sediment over time here in the river. So what you do is you take a flat surface, you put some water and friction, and then you get war paint. So you can have a whole mask if you want. Once you're done, it'll dry up and you can just rinse it off. So I'm gonna make some for you guys, but if it runs out, all you have to do is apply a little bit of water to a flat surface and use a sedimentary rock back and forth.
كما شفت يا شباب بيقول انه كانت قبائلهم قبل بيستعملوا هاي بيحطوها على راسهم هيك عشان يدخلوا في الحرب ضد الاسبانيين. Safwan is doing it right.
هلا انت.
Oh, not me? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna look really legit.
There you go. Now
Hold
you're
on.
getting into it. Hella Puerto Rico. Alright.
You gotta put it in the middle. Now I look like a real warship. That's really cool. This is amazing, guys. You gotta come here and check it out. You really have to. لازم تجوا هون على هاي الحديقة العامة اللي في موجودة اليونيكو. Check him out. أنا هحط ال Airbnb experience down on the link and check Safwan out. Like it's really nice. This is a really nice experience. It's very calm. اقول لكم شيء، انا ما بعرف اصلا اسبح، بس بدأت اتعلم هون في المي الجو. بس لا يعني it's amazing. I'm gonna try to do some shots over there. But guys, this is nature gets you, man. Nature gets you. It's amazing.
El Yunque National Forest is a tropical rainforest in northeastern Puerto Rico. From El Porter Visitor Center, a walkway winds through the surrounding treetops. Trail run to Mina waterfall and Mount Britton. Then up to the high-altitude dwarf forest. In the south are ancient petroglyphs made by the area's indigenous Taíno people. The forest comes alive with the nightly calls of coquí tree frogs. غابة اليونيكو الوطنية هي غابة استوائية مطيرة في شمال شرق بورتوريكو. من مركز زوار الدخول ويسموه البورتر يمر ممشى عبر رؤوس الأشجار المحيطة. تمتد الممرات إلى شلال لمينا وجبل بريتون، ثم تصل إلى غابة القزم المرتفعة في الجنوب. توجد نقوش صخرية قديمة صنعها سكان المنطقة الأصليون من التاينو. الغابة تنبض بالحياة مع النداءات الليلية لضفادع شجرة كوكي.
شباب احنا هيك احنا راجعين، خلصت الرحلة، بس كلش حلو المي والجو والهواء. The air, the water, everything about it here is really beautiful. You guys definitely need to come here and check it out. It's only an experience once in a lifetime, and if you're in America, come here, enjoy it. It's far away from all the hecticness. It's beautiful.
Oh, you kidding?
Thank you guys. It's been a wonderful journey here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. شكرا شباب على متابعتكم. الفيديو هذا كان كلش جميل، الجو هون كله يعني منعش. فأشوفكم يا شباب بالحلقة الجاية. Later. So I got coconuts. It's really good, and it only costs like $3. And then also got these like little traditional empanadas. I got one that is like crab, and the other one is actually shrimp, which is pretty good. And it only costs like $9.
It's good. It's really good.
شباب هاي اشتريتها $3 وهاي 6 empanadas. فإذا بدكم شباب تجوا هون كتير كويس. It's really good. It's worth it. Just enjoy the beach.
Oh yeah,
And
it doesn't taste like anything fancy.
Eat your own
I've eaten a lot of
empanadas.
I've eaten like frogs.
Jobs fill your pockets. Adventure fills your soul. Remember that happiness is a way of travel, not a destination. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. الوظائف تملأ جيوبك والمغامرات تملأ روحك. تذكر أن السعادة هي وسيلة للسفر وليست وجهة. العالم كتاب، والذين لا يسافرون يقرؤون صفحة واحدة فقط.